Hey YouTube, happy 4th of July. I got my 87 hood open here. I'm gonna try to do a couple things. I have a plastic wiper motor cover. I'm gonna put over this wiper motor. Maybe it'll look a little bit better. Robbing Peter to pay Paul here because I got this off of my 88 Shadow over there. I kind of look for that car to become a parts vehicle because it's all rusting up underneath pretty bad. It's a shame that the body's in such good shape, but up underneath it's pretty rotted out. So it's slowly becoming a parts vehicle. That's where I got this cover from. And I'm gonna have to fix this too. I got no wipers. See what's going on here? I gotta get one of those. What are they called? Is that like a windshield arm grommet? Is that a grommet? Is that what that's called? I gotta get one of those. I think you can probably get a replacement for, can't be that much, a couple bucks I would say. But I don't know, I mean eventually I'm going to have to touch up all this too. All this paint come off, and yes, this needs painted and cleaned up, and that might as well just get a whole new housing for that. You know, all this ratty looking tape, it's gonna have to go one of these days. It just looks messy. But anyway, let's focus on the task at hand. Getting this cover on here. Maybe shine it up a little bit first because it's kind of dusty. But yeah, let's do this. I've already taken out one of the, that takes care of that. Nice 23-minute long video here for you. I might go ahead and edit this down, create a short version for those of you who don't want to hang around for 25 minutes. Alright, well, if you're still with me, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. That helps out. Subscribe if you haven't yet. That helps out too. And leave a comment down there. That helps out too. I'll make sure I reply to all of my comments. I get one every once in a while, so go ahead and leave a comment. I'll get back with you. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a good day.